Today I am unboxing the Canon EOS R5. Before we get started, I just wanted to mention that I pre-ordered this camera on July 9th and it just arrived today, August 20th. So, without wasting any time, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, here we go. So inside we've got some warranty information and the booklet. I'm just going to take everything out here first. We've got one of the brand new LP E6 and H batteries. So this is what the new battery packs look like. Also got some cables and a charger, which is always good because I know that some cameras don't actually come with the wall charger anymore, so always good to have that. So here we've got the lens hood, which is actually good because I have the Canon 80D right now, and none of my lenses actually came with a lens hood, so this is actually my first lens hood. What do we got here? I don't even know what this camera comes with, that's what's so funny. Oh, we've got a lens case. That's cool. I honestly had no idea that it came with this, so that's awesome. It comes with a lens case. And we've got the strap, which I will be putting on. I like having straps on my cameras. I will be taking them with me on hikes, so it's just always nice to have that camera strap. So let's start with the lens. Go ahead and open this. So this is the RF 24-105mm f4L IS USM kit lens. Can't wait to try this out. Set that off to the side here. And what we've all been waiting for. The R5. There it is. Oh, it just feels awesome in my hands right now. It's got a really large LCD screen back here. I mean, this is just awesome. As you can see, we've got like the mic port and the HDMI and headphones and all that. Looks like a spot right here for the remote. This is just awesome. Instead of the touchpad that I know that like the R had, it's got a joystick, which is nice. Just feels great. Nice and light compared to my DSLR. So here we have the battery grip for the R5. I've already opened this. I'm just gonna take it out of the box here. This is what the battery grip looks like. Definitely a lot more functions than the battery grip on my 80D has. I really like that it shows you what the charge of each battery is. The battery grip for my 80D does not do that. I just have the full battery sensor on the camera itself, so I never know which battery is emptied or how it takes the power. So that's a really cool feature that I'm excited about. I did purchase one extra battery for this camera so that I can have two in the battery grip. But I will likely buy a few more just so that I have them. Okay, cleaned up everything real quick. All the packaging and everything is now back in the box. Now let's go ahead and put this thing together and turn it on for the first time. Ooh, that was easy. Clicked right into place. This feels so good to have in my hands right now. I have been waiting for this for so long, and let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay, well, I attempted to turn it on, but neither of the batteries appear to have any charge whatsoever. I am planning to film a comprehensive review very soon once I've taken this camera out and used it in the field a few times, taken it on a few hikes, taken it on road trips, whatever. I plan on testing all the video modes, 8K, 4K high quality, 4K, taking lots of photos with it. So that video will be on the way. This is just an unboxing video since I got the camera today, and I would really love to check it out and start using it. So if there's anything that you would like to know about this camera, leave your questions down in the comments, and I will try to test all those things, review all those things in my next video when I talk about this camera. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited about this camera, and I can't wait to start using it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. I will be filming that comprehensive review video, as well as my usual dose of hiking videos and other sorts of vlogs, and hopefully pretty soon another short film type video. I'm Charaba, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.